Welcome to SN Toys Review. Today I will review about another wooden toy, Owl Stack Happy. And it is for 3+ years. And it helps in cognitive shapes recognition and color recognition, hand-eye coordination and logical thinking. These wooden toys can be connected in a variety of ways and achieve feats that seem to defy gravity. You can stack them head to head, head to toe, wing to wing, and even sideways. And try more balancing stunts. Now let the stacking fun begin. Let me unbox it. This has totally 12 owl blocks. In different colors. And 2 wooden sticks. And the content sheet. Now let us try doing this. This is how you can balance it. The kid can use their own thinking and balance the toy. I hope you all liked the video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel SN Toys Review. You can also buy this product in Amazon under the name SN Toy Zone. The link will be given below to purchase the product. Thank you.